Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of computers, and we are on to a very interesting chapter, which is Scratch. Right? Which is Scratch. Now, this is something very interesting also because Scratch means something. Means when we put when we when we rub our nails across any surface, then there is a mark put on it. But here, it is something which is related to computer, right? And let us see what it is. Now, see, this is a discussion between two children. Does the computer understand the language that we speak? Is the child wearing green t-shirt is asking. So, see the other one, what he answered. No, I understand. It understands only a few special languages of its own. Right? That means he's saying that there are some languages devised by the computer or devised by the programmers for the sake of the understanding of the computer. These are called programming language. Also, the number of words and sentences that it understands is limited. Now, see, the other one is asking, can you explain how? He says, yes. So, now let us move to the next one. Sequence of instructions given to computers called a program. Right? So, what is a program? It is a sequence wise set of instructions, one after the other. Right? It's called a program. The language used to write these languages called the programming language. Now, what is Scratch? Scratch is a free visual programming language. Scratch is a free visual programming language. Scratch is an activity. Now, this is important one for us. So, we should underline this. What is Scratch? Scratch is a free visual programming language. And then Scratch is an activity which you can use to give your instructions, right? So that the computer understands. Right? So what is Scratch? Scratch is a free visual programming language or the set of activities which we can use to give instruction to a computer which the computer understands. In Scratch, a program is saved as a project. Right? So let us get started with Scratch. Click on the start button. Scroll through the list to find Scratch. See, and there will be a thing which will appear like this. So you will be finding Scratch here and select Scratch and press enter key. So you will get a menu bar like this. This is the Scratch screen. Right? Lots of commands are there. So Scratch, it will displays the name of the safe project, right? What it displays the name of the scratched projects. It also has maximize, minimize and close buttons. It is normally found below the title bar. It has various menus as file, edit, share, help. You can use these menus to give commands to the Scratch software, right? It is a place where different instructions are grouped together into block. Now this is important line for you. So it is a place where different instructions are grouped together into some blocks. Right? Now, it is a place where you write script area. What is script area? It is a place where you write stepwise instructions for sprite to do a particular task. Right? See in this diagram, where is script area? See, you can see it is this place. Okay. Stage. It is the place where you see your stories, games, animations, music, and art in action. Presentation mode. It is used when you want to present your project on a full screen. Right? On a full screen, not the computer screen, but a complete one. Okay, on that, if you want to present your program, then so what you have to do is you have to just click on the presentation to exit the click exit presentation to exit the presentation mode. View mode, it is used to switch between full stage view and small stage view. Green flag, it is the way to run the script. Stop sign, it is used to stop all the scripts. Sprite, it is an object which performs functions controlled by scripts. Now see, these are block pattern palettes which are there. Motion, then pan, then control, sensing, operators, variables. Right? There are 8 categories of blocks in the block palette. These are the instructions that computer understands. There are many ways to make the sprite move and turn. Now how to do and what to do? Motion block has instructions to make the sprite move. Such a number of steps to take in the direction of motion, etc. Now motion blocks, this chart tells about motion blocks and description. Move 10 steps. Move sprite forward by 10 steps. Move minus 10 steps. Move sprite back by 10 patterns. Okay. Now we come to moving forward. Create a scratch program to move the cat sprite 150 steps forward. See the first one now. Click the file menu, a drop down menu will appear. Select new from here. See, this is the drop down menu here, and you have to select new from here and then click. Select the motion block. Drag and drop the move block. Click on the number areas and type 150 in it. To run the script, double click on the block. Watch the movement of the cat sprite on the stage. Pen block. Just see the pen block and the pen relate instructions are grouped together here. Pen block has instructions to provide the trail of the sprite to change the color of the rat. Color of the trail, right? So this is what pen block can do, right? What it can do? Pen block, it has instructions to provide the trail of sprite to change the color of the trail, etc. These are the functions of the pen block. Now see motion block. Clears all pen marks. Then we have pen down, puts the pen down and draws lines. Pen up lifts the pen up and does not draw lines while moving. Right? Set green color to sets the color of the pen. Set pen color to. Okay. Now so on and so forth are the other things which you can do here. Okay. Now the next one, drawing a blue color line. Now click on the file menu, a drop down menu will appear. See, like the first picture here, there is a drop down menu which you can see here. Then what you will have to do, select the pen block, drag and drop the pen block down, pen down block into the script areas. And now we come to the fourth one, drop and drag the set pen color to into the script area and click on the color picker to choose the blue color. This is the color picker which is here, things in blue. In the motion block, select move steps. Drag and drop into the script areas, click on the number areas and then type 100 on it. Okay, so this is now in the motion block, select move steps and drag and drop into the script areas, click on the number areas and type 100 on it. Now we move to the other one. The Scratch program is saved as a project. To save the project, the following steps are needed. Click on file, a drop down menu will appear. Click on save option, a save project dialog box appears. Now this is the save project dialog box, right? Just a minute, children. This is the save project dialog box. It will appear like this. Type the project name in the new file name and click OK, and your program is saved. Now next is exiting the Scratch. To close the exiting the Scratch. To close or exit Scratch, follow these steps. Click on file menu, click on quit option. Right? Right. So with that, I think we come to the near. Only one topic is remaining, which is to write a Scratch program. Now how to write? We have to drag the instruction blocks such as motion and sound from the block palettes area and drop them into the script areas. These blocks are pasted one after the other to create the scripts, right? This is very important. See, you have to paste them put them one after the other to create the script. The blocks should fit into each other as jigsaw puzzle blocks. When you double click on a script, Scratch runs the program. It carries out the instructions, the blocks one by one from the top to the bottom of the script. We can change the number of steps the sprite moves by clicking inside the number areas. We can also change the direction by clicking on arrows and selecting direction, right? There are several sprites that are already available. You can use these, or you can even draw your own sprite and use it. So with that, we come to the end of the chapter. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. And until we meet again, it's a goodbye.